Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Comfort Foods Kitchen. And today we're doing a Mexican recipe. It's quesadillas, chicken quesadillas. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. We have the tortilla. These are flour tortillas. I use the largest ones. I have a half a cup of onion. We're going to use chili powder, thyme, basil, cumin, black pepper, and chicken bouillon. We're also going to have mozzarella cheese and cheddar jack cheese. You can decide as far as the cheeses, the type that you want to use. This is what I'm going to be using today. Now, as far as the chicken is concerned, I've already boiled my chicken. It is about 2 pounds of chicken. I've already boiled them in some salt water. This is chicken breast. Now you can use chicken thighs. It's all up to you. But this is already done. And what we're going to do is put this back into the broth that we cooked it in. And we're going to add all of our ingredients except for the cheese. I'll be right back with you. Hi, folks. So what I'm doing now is I'm cutting up this chicken to bite-sized pieces. And then I'm going to put it into the water that it was boiled in originally. And it's only enough water to cover the bottom of the pan. It's not going to be covering the chicken. After this, I'm going to put the onions in. I'll put in 2 teaspoons of basil. 2 teaspoons of thyme. And 2 tablespoons, that's 1, of chili powder. That's 2. And like pepper, we're going to do 2 teaspoons. Now this chicken was already boiled in some salt, so you don't need to add any more salt. You salt the taste. And I'm using chicken bouillon to give it a little bit more flavor. 2 tablespoons. And we're going to stir this around. We're going to cover it and let this simmer and cook for about 15 minutes. I'll be right back with you. Welcome back, beautiful people. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and push the notification bell on the right side of the subscribe button so that you can get more notifications of fabulous recipes. Now what we're going to do is we're turning this off. It's been 15 minutes. And in the meantime, I've got my pan hot. I'm going to my frying pan hot. I've already sprayed my frying pan. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. And I'm going to put my tortilla shell in here. Get that warm. So, while that is warming, we're going to put some chicken in that tortilla shell. You're just going to do it on one side. This is like a meal right here, so you don't want to be skimpy on it. You see that everything is all incorporated together. The flavor is nice, very nice flavor. Okay, while that is browning, we're going to put some cheese. I'll put a little Monterey Jack. I got the cheddar. And I got a little mozzarella. And then I'm going to fold this over. See how beautifully brown that is? All right. We're going to pinch it down on the ends. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay. Then we're going to turn this over. Do the same thing for the other side. Yeah. And then we're going to take this out. Put it on a platter. You don't want to burn this. We're going to put it right here. And then we're going to cut this. All right. Leave it just like that. And we're going to do the same thing until we finish up our mixture. And I'll be right back with you. Welcome back, beautiful people. This is my finished product. This looks gorgeous. Now, I have a slice over here, and what I usually put on mine is some sour cream, salsa, and guacamole. Or you can eat it plain. It's all up to you. But right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of sour cream, some salsa, I like that word, salsa, and some guacamole. And now we're going in for my best part ever. The most exciting part of this whole episode. The taste. Now I can eat this one or two ways, because usually I may open this up and put all this inside and eat it like a pizza pie. But since I put everything on the outside, I'm going to eat it with a knife and fork. Oh my gosh. That is delicious. That came out wonderful. You got to try this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like. And push that notification button on the side. So you can come back and join me again with more fabulous recipes. I'll see you next time.